Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX and you're welcome to CoinX the producer. Alright guys, as you can see on the screen, it is a plugin that I have reviewed already, which almost everyone was complaining about the installation. There was a lot of DLL file missing and it wasn't really installing. So now the developer Diego Ortega reached out to me, notifying me that they have rectified the issue, and not only that, they've also improved the plugin, the version to 0.02. So I've already tried it and everything is working perfectly well. I believe he's an independent developer. So if you have anything, to support him, $1, $2, any amount, it's something. And have in mind, I'm not sponsored for this. So this is just me trying to support an individual that is giving out too much. I mean, coming up with plugin of this quality and giving it out for free, in my own opinion, I feel it is worth encouraging. So whatever you have to encourage him, please do. And if you don't have anything, you can also head over to his official YouTube channel and support him by subscribing, engaging in his channel. I believe he's going to appreciate that as well. So now, today we'll be checking out to confirm that this plugin is working perfectly well during the installation. So the first thing you need to do is to download it, which I've already done that. On this page, you will see the available formats. What you will do now is to choose the format that suits your OS. So for me, I'm using Windows 64-bit. So under here, I'm going to download the VST3 format, all right? And as well download the .exe file, which is the installation file. So if you're using Mac, this is the one you're going to choose. Okay, so now I've previously downloaded it, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to repeat that. So I'll click on download, give it time. It will start downloading. I need to confirm that it's downloading. All right, it's downloading. Then the next is this one. It's also to download that. It's also downloading. So give it time. And now it is done downloading. If you see, I've previously downloaded them. So the first thing I will do is to open up the VST3. I'll click on it. And once it opens, you see this VST3 folder. All right. Please pay very close attention because this is very important. So here you click on that folder and click on extract to. Now what we'll be doing here is to go to the location for VST3 files, as you can see. So how do you locate that? Go to this PC, local disk drive C, look for program files for 64 bits. As you can see, I did not click on that of x86 because x86 simply means 32 bits. Okay, so I chose this one, program files, which is for the 64 bits. Then come down and look for common files, this one right here, expand it and come over to this section. You see, if it is a VST file, just put it here. If it is VST2, put it here. But we are going for VST3, so click on it, open it. And inside here, you will see VST3 files that are already existing here. All right. So on the VST3, let me collapse it. It's highlighted. All I need to do is to click OK. So it will dump this folder inside there. You see, it's already existing, so I'll replace it. Alright, that's for the VST3. So after that, we come over here, we go to the .exe file just to confirm that it is working perfectly well. And that is it. You can drag it and drop it on your desktop or anywhere you want. But in this case, I'm just going to run it here to see that it's working. Voila. And as you can see, it is working perfectly well. As you can see, so the standalone is working. Now the next thing we are going to do is to now go to our door and confirm that So let me open up FL Studio. All right, and now inside FL Studio, come over to the mixer rack, replace, more, and here, come over to manage plugins. And on this menu, one thing I would recommend you do is to rescan plugins with error, turn it on. Though if you have a lot of plugins installed on your system, it's gonna take time, but I think it will worth it, especially if you've tried installing this before. Okay, so once it's on, just click on find installed plugins, hit on that, allow it to scan, and I am very sure it is going to pop up. But in a situation it didn't pop up, please don't fail to let me know in the comments so that I can as well reach out to the developer. And like I said earlier, please, if you can support him in any way, anything, I believe he's going to appreciate it. Or if you don't have financially, you can subscribe to his YouTube channel, engage with him there. I'll be leaving the link in the description. And finally, I just created a Discord server channel, if I may put it that way, where we can gather to discuss about plugins, free and paid ones, music production tips and tricks, ask questions, request for freebies, where we can really engage and have one-on-one conversations. All right, I will also be leaving the link in the description. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of so before we round up, let me quickly search it. Vocal Rider. All right, and I believe it should be this one. All right, guys, as you can see, it is working perfectly well. All right, guys, as you can see, it is working perfectly well. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have any further question, please leave it in the comments below. And as always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.